So because
Okay.
so they made this app by themselves. আর জুয়েলারি বানানো হয়েছে বানানো থেকে ফাইবার ইউজ করে
IITG Conference Center, Indian Institute of Guwahati. সো ভিউয়ার্স, আমরা ধীরে ধীরে কনফারেন্স হলের ভেতরে ঢুকে যাব আর এখানকার সায়েন্স এক্সিবিশন কী ধরনের প্রদর্শনী করা হয়েছে আমরা একটু দেখে নিব, কিছু ইনফরমেশন জানার চেষ্টা করব। এখানে যারা দায়িত্বরত রয়েছে, যারা বহিরাগত চলে আসছে এখানে বিভিন্ন প্রদর্শনী করার জন্য। সো লেটস গো। সো ব্রিফিং সাম।
Actually, students are there in the laboratory. They have done.
Okay.
So here, actually, they have shown two things.
Yes.
One is intercropping system, and another one is the crop protection plan.
Okay.
So intercropping, as here, particular pattern is maintained.
Yeah.
So, and more than one crops are used there.
Okay.
So basically, for this one, many advantages are there. Like few advantages, if I mention here.
Okay.
Some that is the plants, as here suppose plant A, plant B, plant C, like
yeah.
that. Again plant A, plant B, like that. So plant A, if it will get affected by any kind of disease, then that disease will not spread to rest of the plant, because particular disease is host specific.
Okay.
So that way the disease will not spread. Apart from that, a particular pattern will be followed, and because of that one, particular fertilizers and all can be used.
Yes.
Is nothing but that is the crop protection plan,
Yeah.
whereas it is the major problem of our country that whenever the farmers produce the crops, so the bovine animals, herbivorous animals, they come and eat those plants.
Yeah.
So basically for this one setup the students have made one idea that whenever they will come, suppose this example, so if they are coming here, the buzzer whenever they will try to enter inside the face, so the buzzer will just
Signal.
give the signal. So because of that sound, those animals will get scared and they can just move from there, or even other farmers also, they become alert. So because of that one, that system is made, and here low intensity voltage is used. So because of that one, the animals will not get the shock. They will not die. Okay, after getting the shock, or this system will not do any harm to them. So that is the main part of this.
Thank you. Excuse me. You can some information. Porivesh. Okay.
So in which language?
So we Hindi language समझे.
So I can speak in English also.
Okay.
Our project was bioplastic actually.
Okay.
The main thing was environment, and the sub theme was bioplastic.
Okay.
Actually, due to the modernizations, the use of plastics in our life is increasing.
Okay.
But the normal plastic is made of different like petroleum,
Oh.
which releases carbon dioxide in very huge amounts, which affects our environment in increasing the global warming. And also it takes so much time for degradable. For
Okay.
example, in case of a plastic bottle, it takes around 300 years, about 300 years to degrade.
Okay.
And it will affect the soil. Students are taught about using the bioplastic,
Okay.
which is biodegradable. So therefore, they thought to produce bioplastic by themselves by using
Bioplastic.
bioplastic by using the bio objects like cornstarch, vinegar, glycerin, distilled water.
Okay.
So they made this app by themselves. Yes. The main objective of their project is to make people aware about the side effects of using plastics, and also to decrease the pollutions caused by petroleum-based plastics, and to make also people aware about the usefulness of the bioplastic.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. ম্যাম আমাদেরকে ব্রিফিং দিয়ে দিল মূলত। থ্যাংক ইউ ম্যাম। স্মার্ট এগ্রিকালচার
చూడు వాళ్ళ వాటర్ పెట్టుకుని ఆటోమేటికల్లీ వాటర్.
Excuse me. So you can some information your project.
can talk in Assamese fluently. Can you understand?
Okay, thank you. Okay, you can SMS.
So this was soap. This was soap. It's made from all our natural ingredients using
Okay.
no harmful chemical.
Yeah.
জুৱেলাৰী বনোৱা হৈছে বানানা টি ফাইবাৰ ইউজ কৰি পিনে জুৱেলাৰী হেণ্ডমেড জুৱেলাৰী চাব পাৰে আপোনালোকে কালাৰো ইউজ কৰিছোঁ কিছুমানত এইটো কালাৰ ইউজ কৰা হৈছে
Okay.
এইটো ছাকচেছফুলি আমি ভাবিছোঁ কিয়নো আমি এইখিনি এক্সপেৰিমেণ্ট মানে আমি পৰীক্ষামূলকভাৱে ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিবলৈ দিছোঁ নেইবাৰসকলে ভাল পাইছে
Okay.
কোনো ধৰণৰ
Scientific. It can
ছাইড ইফেক্ট নাই ইয়াত পাৰ্শ্বক্ৰিয়া নাই কোনো ধৰণৰ স্কিন ডিজিজ নহয় ধৰক তাৰপিছত এইটো ধুনীয়াকৈতো চাফা হৈয়ে এইটো খাৰ ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিলেতো চাফা হৈয়ে
Okay.
আৰু এইটো মানে কষ্ট বিশেষ নায়েই চাবলৈ গ'লে সকলো ঘৰতে পায় গতিকে ইয়াত কোনো বেছি মানে কোনো ধৰণৰ খৰচ নাইকিয়াকৈ আমি ঘৰতে অকণমান টেকনিক ব্যৱহাৰ কৰি আমি প্ৰস্তুত কৰিব পাৰোঁ আৰু আমি যদি চাওঁ এই চাবোনডোখৰ জৰিয়তে প্ৰস্তুত কৰি স্বাৱলম্বী মানে হ'ব পাৰে
আচ্ছা
বেছি মানে কোনো ধৰণৰ খৰচ নহয়
খৰচ নহয় থ্যাংক ইউ ম্যাম এদিকে লিখবো
সবাই লিখলে হ'ল সিগনেচাৰ
Okay. Date?
7 Thank you.
Thank you.